In this video, we shall show how to use the formula to get the finite sum of an arithmetic sequence. Example 2.11, find the sum of an arithmetic sequence. Find the sum of the first 10 terms of the sequence 1, 5, 9, 13, and so forth until we get to the 10th term. So you write this, okay? So you write the formula. If this is an examination, you must be careful where you write this formula because your teacher might think you are cheating. Ask permission from your teacher. Teacher, can I write the formula on my test paper? Or maybe, can I write the formula on the test questionnaire at the back? Okay, so you do that. So n is 10. The first term is 1. The common difference, okay, look at that. 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 is the common difference. And so we just apply the formula straight away. 10 over 2 times the quantity 2 times the first term plus 10 minus 1 times 4. It's equal to 190. This topic, arithmetic sequence and getting the sum of a finite number of terms, is an opportunity for you to use Excel and get acquainted with how to use the formula. So I opened an Excel file and I checked out the sum. So this is the index. These are our terms, the first term, the second term. And this is the cumulative sum. So this one, 6, is the sum of the first 2 terms. 45 is the sum of the first 5 terms. And guess what? The sum of the first 10 terms is 190. So we got it correctly. Example 2.13, applying sum of arithmetic sequence to a pile of logs. Suppose a pile of logs forms an isosceles trapezoid in which there are 15 logs at the bottom, 14 at the second row. Okay, we are starting from the bottom here, okay? So 15 logs at the bottom, 14 logs at the second row, 13 at the third row, so on until we get to the top of the pile of logs. So here at the top, you have 5 logs in all. How many logs are there? How many logs are there in all in this pile? So this is a sequence, an arithmetic sequence. Your first term, you can begin anywhere. You can begin from 15. This is an arithmetic sequence, and we will get the sum. 5 plus 6 plus 7 until we get to 15. Again, in one corner of your paper, with the permission of your teacher, write the formula. A sub 1 is 5. You can also make a sub 1 to be 15. Okay? And then D is 1, N is 11. Okay, so that is tricky because most students, when they see 15, they would say N is 15. No, N is not 15. If you start from 1, N is 15. But you start from 5, so N is only 11. And let's do the sum, okay? So the finite sum is 11 over 2 times this, which is equal to, what is that equal to? 110. So again, I opened an Excel file. This is the index of your term. These are our individual terms. 5, 6, until we get to 15. This is the cumulative sum. So the sum of the first 6 terms, you will get this sum, is 45. The sum of the terms from 5 to 15 is 110.